Hello everyone, my name is Shantuni. Welcome to my video. Today I am not here to teach grammar. Today I am here to change your mindset. Today topic is how to start your spoken English journey. If you are afraid of English, this video is for you. First, let me tell you one truth. English is not intelligence. English is just a language. You learned your mother tongue by repeating, speaking, making mistake. Why fear for English? Mistakes means learning, not failure. Most people say my grammar is weak, people will laugh, I don't have confidence. Let me tell you something. Confidence comes after practice, not before. Tips number 1, stop translating. Don't think in your mother tongue first. I will translate and speak. No, I will think in English. First, start with small sentences. I can speak English. I am happy. Small English is good English. Tips number 2. Speak daily, even 5 minutes. You don't need 1 hour. Just 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes at night. Speak front of mirror to yourself while walking. Your mouth must practice, not only your brain. Tips number 3. Don't fear mistakes. Children speak without fear. Children speak wrong words, but they still speak confidently. Mistakes are your best teachers. Speak wrong English today. Speak better English tomorrow. That's all today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.